Josh, this is my little arsenal gun. This is called Little Red Riding Hood. It fires a white and green piece. I'm going to fire a white piece at a piece of paper, and I'll make a big hole in it. Now we're going to take a closer look while it's firing. You hear that? Look at this. That's a big puncture. Alright, now we are going to go back. This is called Big Daddy. Do you know why? It fires 3 types of ammo. No, 4, sorry. It can fire up to 10 meter, maybe 11. It can fire pretty well. It fires this, white piece, green piece, and the little blue circles. You know how it fires these and blue circles? You put them onto here. And now I am going to fire at the screen and back of the paper. Let's take a closer look. Now I'm going to fire, well, what do you vote? I think it's going to be the white piece at the paper. Let's take a closer look. Holy cow, look at that puncture. Alright. I'm just going to fire the screen piece at the camera.
No.
Yes, I am.
Don't do that.
Fine, I'll fire it at the paper. Look at that little puncture wound. Too bad I hit the wooden back of it. You see that? And that's my arsenal. Right here. My arsenal.